Hello everybody, how you guys doing? I hope everybody is fine. Today, I'm cooking shito. Shito is originally from Ghana, but most African people who are used to Ghanaians, copy from them and do it. So today, this is my blend onions and garlic. This is my dry chili pepper. This one is ground with the bonnet chili. This one here, I add this one in there. This chili. So my cubes is grounded here, broken here, which I'm gonna add a little bit of this in here as well. Then this is the garlic I use. This is the crayfish. Crayfish, this is the puree tomatoes. So let's go cooking now, guys. So my saucepan is already on the fire, get heated. The oil is already there, tipping there. I've already added my oil, tipping my oil in there. So what I'm gonna do, normally when you do this shito, what you need dry stuff. If you do wet stuff, you're gonna be standing there by your cooker and be stirring and stirring and stirring. So the only wet stuff is this puree tomato and this onions and chili pepper and garlic that I blend. So now you can hear it. So you cook, fry this shito. It takes a lot of oil because you don't need water into it. So this oil will let it go dry. So you keep frying it. Keep frying the shito. Then you put your puree tomato. I'm gonna put my puree tomato now in there. And just keep turning and turning so it doesn't get burnt. It's lovely. It's a pepper sauce where whatever you want to eat, fried yam, fried plantain, rice, you fried your fish and you boil your yam, you just put it by the side. Or you want to eat it with kenken, they are called meal. This special thing they call kenken, you just do your wet pepper with this little bit of shito by the corner or by the side and eat with it. So this is the shito. So I'm gonna put in my knorr cubes, broken knorr cubes from this bowl and keep stirring. So by the time it gets cooked, you're gonna go dry and a bit like darker color. So I'm gonna tip in my dry chili pepper in there. It's all cooking together. Then you keep stirring and stirring like you are cooking dry stew. That is all shito is all about, Putting all my spices, my pepper sauce. So when it's cooked, you allow it to get dry. Then you put it in a dry container, in a plastic container, and leave it in your fridge and just be using it, whenever you want to eat something. It can last for months, 2 months, as long as you cook everything dry. Your pepper is well cooked and dry. You will enjoy it. It's a pepper sauce. You can eat with anything. You can eat with spaghetti, boiled rice, yam, fried fish, fry your chicken. It's cooking away. So I'm gonna keep stirring and stirring and stirring and stirring. So when you use dry stuff, it cooks quicker. Then you blend your tomato. I didn't use fresh tomato because that one gonna take a longer time to cook. But if you use your fresh pepper and dry pepper, everything dry, it will cook quick, and it won't keep you standing there on your feet in your kitchen and keep stirring and stirring and stirring and stirring, So I'm gonna put my crayfish. I'm gonna tip in my crayfish. You must put crayfish because that will give you that shito flavor. Otherwise, it's not gonna work. You need that shito flavor to cook your shito. So you keep stirring it, don't go too far away from this saucepan. Otherwise, you're gonna get burnt. You just keep stirring it and stirring it and stirring it. I'm putting the left crayfish there. Putting more cube sauce in there. So when you use dry thing, it's quicker to cook and everything, you know. You can see when the water gets dry from the onions and the bonnet chili pepper I blend, you can see all the oil will start coming up and start settling up. That will tell you your shito is cooked. You know, that will tell you your shito is cooked. It starts getting dry, and you can see it yourself that yeah, it's cooking now. The color is changing. You know, this is my shito. I'm gonna eat it with fried fish and with my kenkem. Kenkem is it's a food originally from Ghana, but if you are a friend to the Ghanaians, you will know what I'm talking about. Kenkem. It's made with corn dough or something, and you can see the color is changing now. See, keep stirring, don't let it go burn. So by the time it's well cooked, you will see all the oil. Your oil will set on top. So that oil will preserve it to stay longer in the fridge for your own use. You can use it, depend the quantity you've cooked or you've made, you know. Then you put it in a nice container and close it properly, or in a plastic container, close it properly after it's well cold. Then, you know, then you put it in your fridge or in your kitchen cupboard, and then just keep, you know, taking them whenever you need them, you know. So the shito is cooking now. It doesn't take time because everything is dry apart from the blend, fresh bonnet chili and the onions and the fresh garlic. It doesn't take time. So when you are cooking it, you are frying this kind of sauce. Make sure the oil does not over too hot, because by the time you tip in your blended tomato, everything, it can just like flame fire up or pour on your skin. So be very, very careful when you are doing such thing. Okay, guys. So my shito is on the way now. You know, my shito is on the way. It's cooking. You can see it, shito. Yeah. It's not difficult. It's a pepper sauce, but you know, Ghanaian call it shito. It's a pepper sauce. You can eat with anything. It's very lovely. You know, let me have a taste. Yeah. Nearly there. Keep stirring. It takes quicker to cook. But when you use wet tomato, you blend your tomato, you need to cook it first. You know, let the water simmer, dry out all the water from your fresh tomatoes. You will still use puree tomatoes though, so before you start frying, so that you don't stand on your feet and keep stirring, you know. So my shito is cooking. You can hear it making some noise, you know, with dry crayfish, dry chili powder, and one fresh chili bonnet. You know, let me reduce the cooker a little bit. You can see the color. Look at the color is changing. Look, you can see the color is changing. So guys, this is the shito, you know. So I'm begging you all to go to my Conco bell below and press the Conco bell and keep subscribing. Leave your comments if you got any comments, any room to improve on my videos. Leave your comment down below, please, and I appreciate all. And shito is nearly done now. Look, shito is ready. Oh, it's very hot. Oh my God, this is blowing off my head. Very, very hot. Very hot chili. No water, nothing, you know. Just cook it dry. So guys, thank you very much, and keep subscribing, leave your comments, and thank you so much. Cheers. This is my shito, and take care, and bye.